Welcome back to my channel with a new video. How to make a perfect statement of purpose for scholarship. The statement of purpose is very important when you apply for any scholarship, exchange program, or conference. The university requires this document if they are giving you a scholarship. At the end of the post, I have attached my personal statement through which I got selected for the fully funded U.S. exchange program in 2017. It was a SUSI Exchange program. I will tell you how to make a perfect statement of purpose for a scholarship. Many scholarships and exchange programs will be open from September 2023, so it is always a good practice to start early and write a statement of purpose in a draft. A statement of purpose, SOP, is written by an applicant. You have to connect your views and points with the nature of the program and how it fits you. Without further delay, let's directly read my statement of purpose below. So stay tuned and watch till end. Successful perfect statement of purpose for scholarship. I wrote this personal statement for the SUSI Exchange program in 2017, and luckily I got selected for the program. Now SUSI is a leadership exchange program. To write a personal statement for the SUSI, I have to relate 3 things with SUSI, and these are my educational background, my future goal, and how SUSI is related to me. My SUSI personal statement sample. These were the questions asked in the personal statement, and I have to cover these in just 250 words. What about your background or interests make you competitive for this particular? Institute, please be as specific as possible. What will you contribute to the group? How do you expect this experience will affect your future academic and professional career? My answer, hailing from the urban background from one of the metropolitan city, I got a chance to enroll in reputable educational institutions. I am one of those fortunate youths who received information about SUSI, and I am also among the ones who aim to attain this opportunity. Being lucky enough to get quality education throughout my life, I wish the same for my fellow youth that are getting education in underprivileged institutions. Especially the youth of rural areas of Pakistan do not have access to quality education, and this drives me to get myself empowered enough to be able to work for the educational reforms in my country. I am an active social worker, community contributor, and traveler, and have been involved with various volunteer forums. In the group, as a representative, I will as a change agent to remove all the negative stereotypes and to present the brighter side to my own country fellows to my host colleagues. Being selected for this program, I would be the first one from my family who would be cognizant of the modern techniques and methodologies to address. I will be able to visit different educational institutions to learn about the American government system and its policies. This will help me in understanding different cultural perspectives, self-development and awareness, interact with diverse people, and student relationships, as well as improving my language skills and broaden my social horizons. On my return, I will replace and implement efficient policies regarding education in my native city. Required words for personal statement. The personal statement can be 500 words or 250 words depending on the program and its requirements. Tips for writing a good personal statement for a scholarship. Use Google. Note points. Take ideas. Search in Google for personal statements related to your topic. Note important eye-catching words and motivated lines. Rephrase and make it in your own words. Collect the data and then rearrange them. Note, please don't copy this SUSI personal statement. Just take an idea and write your statement for scholarship. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.